Right here with me is an itel smartwatch which I just got. You can see. And I want you guys to join me while we do the unboxing so that we can see what's inside the carton. Now let's get in. So guys, as you can see, here is a brand new itel smartwatch which I just got, and let's unbox so that we can see what's inside the carton. You can see from here, you can see it comes with 12 months warranty. You can see here they say it is AI powered watch. It comes with 2.04 HD display, this display here, and they say it is waterproof. You can see, so you can see itel smartwatch Fit-020. That's the name here is, let's turn so that's the name. The name here, you can see here, model name ISW 020 smartwatch. So here's the name of the watch. You can see, so this one comes with two stripes. It comes with green and black. You can fix them by yourself. You can see them, right? So you can see here original. You can see this very stamp here of means original. You can see, so you can also take time to go through the carton and see all the various features right here. And here's the QR code to scan and see if it is original. You can see. So now let's unbox it to see what's inside. Okay, I'll bring my this in to tear the nylon. Okay, start from here. You can see. Okay, I think we'll bring this out this way. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, here is the manual. You can go through this manual to see how to fix the watch. This guide contains everything about the watch. Here is the warranty card. You can keep this card safely, and I think you can scan this QR code maybe to connect the watch to your phone. You can keep this also in the safe. So the watch comes with a charger. It comes with this charger, USB charger type what? Okay, look at the charger, how it looks. Here's the USB, and here's how it looks. Here is the extra stripe. This extra black stripe that you can insert on it. Alright, here's the watch proper. Yes, empty. So here's the watch, itel smartwatch. So everything is still brand new. So let me remove this seal. You can see. So let's quickly look at the body round. The back. You can see. So how do you on it? To on it, yes, power button. Just press and hold it here. You can see Fit-020 smartwatch itel. So to set up, you can tap on English and go this way, or you can press this way or this way and then continue. But this video is just the unboxing. Later I can show you how to set up. So to off the watch, you can also press it and hold it to off the watch. Power off. You can tap on this power off and tap on this good. It is going off. It's off. You can see. So guys, that's the watch. Thanks for watching and bye.